Hey guys, welcome to Tech with TNP again. Yeah, big thumbs up for massive support for our first video, and if you haven't seen that, please do watch it. In this video, we're going to unbox and set up a router. Yes, let's get started. And it is Router 4C from MI, and I bought it from official MI store app for just 999 INR. Let's unbox it now. Let's see what do we have in the box. Literally for a second after watching the box inside this cover, thought I was played because it has nothing written but only MI on it. I was struggling to open it gently for first time.
3 days later,
And there we go, I finally managed to open it in no time. So we have this original one inside this big box. And we have few info on top of it. Says 300 Mbps high speed, 4 antenna guide, full control with an app, and speed boost for better coverage. Coming to the sides of the box, nothing much. Maybe few of manufacturing details. And on back side we have an extra feature list, contains QoS, 3-step setup, notifications. As it has cloud controlling, parental control is one of the biggest features to notice here. Now let's unpack this one. We have a router with 4 antenna, pretty long. And we even have a branding of that cover also. Strange. And inside the box we have a power adapter with a few of the voltage details on it, and the wire is also pretty long, sufficient. And after that we have a 3-step or boot up guide, clearly written with 3 steps on it. Later point of the video we can discuss it. And most importantly, a setup guide with color screenshots on it. Very good, right? Let's have a look at router now. We have MI logo on it, and 2 lights for power and LAN, and the 4 antenna sticks are having pretty good quality and are adjustable in 3 directions. Coming to design, it's very slim and very minimal. The lightweight just weighs about 400 to 450 grams range. And it is a 2.4 GHz single band router. Basically, difference between a single and dual band router is just single one uses 2.4 GHz and is limited to one wireless signal. On the other hand, dual band router uses 2 bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, which means that they can transmit 2 simultaneous signals, providing a better performance and coverage. Coming to setup, we have a LAN port at the back side and 2 WAN ports for network extension if required, and we have a power supply port, and we also have a reset button here in order to reset if the network changes, and names are also mentioned under respect to ports. In order to install and set up, I suggest to go with boot up manual available in the box, which has a few of the steps mentioned clearly in a row, and it's also the safest option available. So as per the step 1 mentioned in the guide, we have booted up the device, and here is the orange light. After this, attach a LAN wire to the device and wait for the orange light to be turned into blue, and after that take a mobile device or laptop and search for the Wi-Fi and connect. We also have few FAQ and their answers, and we have an app QR code called MI Wi-Fi for controlling this remotely. We will discuss at the end about this, and we have few info regarding light indicators which helps us to know about the status of the device in order to troubleshoot. Let's dive into connection manual. Now we have colored screenshot of the steps we can follow while connecting. We can also take the configuration details from your old router by connecting it throughout a WAN port as shown in here, and using this router as a repeater in an existing wireless network is pretty easy, just like connecting a mobile to Wi-Fi network, and it also shown in this manual. But I have faced few issues, like we need to make few changes in master router configuration if we are using an old D-Link router, D-Link 600 series, and I will post a separate post in our Insta handle on how to set up a D-Link router as a repeater and keeping this MI router as a master. Do follow it. Now that the LAN is connected, you can see the light on the router, and we can take a mobile or laptop and connect to the Wi-Fi. After connecting to the network, make sure you click the keep the connection button, otherwise we can't configure the router. After this step, go to a browser and type miwifi.com. It automatically takes to configuration page, so that we can see same screens just as shown in the guide. Now you should enter your username and password given by your internet provider. And it will check the internet connectivity, just like authenticating your details, username and password. And after testing, you can change the details of router like network name and the password. And after this point, your device will be disconnected as we change the name of the network. So please connect again by typing in the new password. After connecting to the network, few of the ISPs will ask you to sign in to their network. After signing in, we are into the network. As said, we can also do same procedure using an app called Mi Wi-Fi. We can download it from an app store or Apple store based upon your requirement. After installing this app, open and give required permissions. After this, connect your mobile to a router Wi-Fi and click on a setup a new router. It detects the router and click on it. same procedure is repeated here. You need to provide ISP provided username and password. After this, you are directly connected to the internet. The other features of this app is that we can monitor on the devices which are connected to our network, and we can also rename them as per our comfort, as per our visibility, and we also have an options to restrict the access, and even helpful for parents for controlling their child with using parent control just by setting a firewall for your child's device, just for that device. And we have QoS. QoS is like something if you need to change the bandwidth level to each device on the network, we can use that. We can also check the network speed instantly in this app. Okay guys, if you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if not yet. Please do follow our Instagram handle for latest technical updates daily. Thanks for watching.